What's up, guys? Here's details, adjusted recipe for Biltong chili bites. I'm using South African method for curing meat. It's between like American beef jerky, but it will be very dry. So the chili bites much smaller, but Biltong is different. It's bigger pieces and thicker. So something my original recipe. I don't have any exactly amount of what I'm adding. I'm just doing by eye. Main ingredients for biltong. So salt can be different type. It's also you need to really watch for it because the different salt has different level. It's that's true. So this is less salty, Himalayan. Then vinegar, doesn't matter which one, whatever you like. I figure out this is white wine vinegar, coriander, and black pepper. In addition, like chili bites, I'm adding that red pepper for flavor, Montreal steak, very cool stuff. And that last 3 or 4 batches, I'm using that Allegro marinade. So I like my meat dry and chewy. So here it is, $20.53 for 3 pounds, $6.82 per pound. And this is beef round eye roast USDA choice Angus. Sitting for about 2 days in the refrigerator, and then it will go to the dry box. Thanks for watching.